Hello, class. Today is Thursday, December 3rd. I'm not here right now, but we have a lesson today. Don't forget to do the AQ, and we are going to read a story called Rikki Tikki Tavi. So there are a few slides you'll need to complete today that I'm posting in Google Classroom. These are the learning targets today. I can learn from my mistakes as I complete the reading benchmark analysis. You guys have already done that by now. You should have turned in your corrections and your analysis sheet. And today in the Google Slides, you'll have to complete a reflection piece. I can analyze the plot of a short story that is Rikki Tikki Tavi, and then I can analyze the characters and setting of a short story. You'll also be taking a quiz today. So for this warm-up, this is slide number 4 in Google Classroom. It says, think about a time when you protected someone or someone protected you. Think about that. Your parents, a brother or sister, a friend, someone protected you or you protected them. If it helps to get you started, you should explain what it means to protect someone. That concept is very important to the story we're going to read. So this is the next slide. It could be slide 5, but you have to complete this for your daily grade today. Reflection time for reading benchmark. What will you do differently next time? In this space, list some of the test-taking strategies you will use during the next benchmark to help improve your scores. Here's some information about the author of Rikki Tikki Tavi and the Jungle Book. His name is Rudyard Kipling. You will read about this and you'll read all of the slides, and then you'll learn a little bit about the mongoose. Be sure to watch the videos that I posted in here. As you read, pay attention to the elements of the plot, exposition, rising action, etc. After we're done, next week, you're going to plot this story out using the plot diagram, and you're going to talk about character, setting, exposition, and theme. This slide is just helpful to show you where in the world India is located and also to give you a visual on what a bungalow in India looks like. Make sure you watch the videos, do the AQ, complete reading the story. It is posted online for you, so it's a digital copy. And then take the Rikki Tikki Tavi reading quiz, which is a Google Doc, and make sure you turn that in. Thank you guys for all your hard work, for doing a great job today, and have a nice weekend. I'll see you next week.